Hello everyone. Today is August 21st, 2024. It's Wednesday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. Cassava Sciences stock volume was 1.53 million shares on Tuesday, with a turnover rate of 3.4%. This set of data is the lowest in August. The stock price fell by nearly 2%, while it rose by 6.8% the day before. This reflects that the stock price encountered some resistance at the level of $30.20, but it was not large. Capital did not withdraw from the market in large quantities, and it was still in an upward trend technically. The data shows that on August 12th, when the stock price was at the level of $21.30, the daily short selling ratio of the stock was 8.6%, and on August 20th, when the stock price was at the level of $30.20, the short selling ratio increased to 15.7%. Why is this the case? Because the stock will face selling pressure from the locked-in funds in early August after August 15th. But its trading volume performance seems to reflect that the stock price did not encounter much selling pressure above $28.40, which is a positive signal. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock was in a net outflow state from August 9th to 14th, with a net outflow of $11.4 million on August 9th, which is consistent with its trading volume. Today, the stock price is much higher than the closing price of the day, which means that long capital began to enter the market on August 9th, which is a key signal that will determine the height of this wave of stock price rise. The stock rose nearly 20% on August 15th, but its net capital inflow was only $434,000. But the total transaction amount on that day was as high as $100 million, which shows that a lot of funds flowed out of the market on that day. Of course, more funds flowed into the market. Although the market suffered a large sell-off, the stock price did not fall as a result, which is also a positive signal. The capital flow data of the stock from August 16th to 19th echoed its trading volume. Although the data showed that the net outflow of capital on the 2 days totaled about $5 million, it is difficult to regard it as a signal of price reversal. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that after the close of August 20th, most of the stock positions were concentrated between $21.30 and $30.20. Among them, $28.40 is the peak of the position. The stock price has not yet reached this position during the trading session on August 20th, which is a good thing. But if the stock price falls below this price later, then things may not be good. However, the current data show that the stock price seems to be able to gain a foothold above $28.40. If this price level no longer encounters selling pressure from shorts, then it should rise further. Because there are relatively few positions above $30.20, it is mainly because the positions above this price chose to move down after the stock price rose and fell in early August. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The data gives the current resistance position of the stock as $33.20, which I don't agree with. As mentioned earlier, after analyzing the data, I think the stock can gain a foothold at $28.40, so I set the target price at $35, because this price has considerable profit space for capital entering the market below $28.40. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for Cassava Sciences stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks in the future. See you in the next video.